Hi, it's T with Teaquilts, and today is July 28th, 2021, and it's my birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, T! Yay!
We have traveled 50 miles and we're in LeClaire, Iowa, and we are waiting for our first quilt shop to open, but we're out here. I think this is still I don't know if this is the Mississippi or if it's because it's got all kinds of houses out here in the far back, and I seriously doubt that this is the Mississippi, but I could be completely mistaken. But the water looks a whole lot better here than it does in St. Louis. So I doubt if it's the Mississippi. But just wanted to share with you all that we're starting our second day. Just wanted to get the day started, and see you all in the when we get to the outside of the first quilt shop. Guys, we are at Expressions and Thread in LeClaire, Iowa, and this is our first shop. We will talk about our excursion when we come back. Talk to you all later. So we left our first quilt shop, which was a great success, great quilt shop. We are at our second quilt shop, Keeping You Sewing in Clinton, Iowa. So we're gonna go in and check out this spot. Got nice display windows, patriotic display out here. That's cute. Mr. and Mrs. Patriot. Welcome, friends. So I'll see you all later. You cannot tell me what to do.
I will tell you exactly
you
what to do.
are not the boss of me.
When, where, how, to what extent. Are you taking this? Did you hear that, Teaquilters? I'm going to tell her what to do.
It's not going to work, guys. We're at our next fabric stop in DeWitt, and it is called Heartland Cottons. Yes, on the front door here. It's got a welcome one on the other front door, but I will go into here and we will see you on later. Okay. So the last quilt shop we left, Heartland Cottons, was a great shop. We are now at our next shop, the Fabric Stasher, quilt store, and more. So we're gonna go in, take a look. They got nice display cases here as well, all the way down to there. So I'll see you later. We are here at Helios Quilt Shop in Lisbon. What city is this?
I don't know.
We don't know. But anyway, we couldn't find the quilt shop. So we called and they said, go in through the yellow double doors. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're inside here at Helios, and I just wanted to show you some of the decorations here, just stepping in the door. This is like a little lobby area. This looks like their sale fabrics here. $8 a yard. I may not have mentioned it, but we found 2 places that had sale fabrics for $4 a yard. Amazing. And it wasn't just stuff that you wouldn't use any of it at all. Normally that's what happens with sale fabric. But it looks like all of this fabric's $8, including all of these fabrics here being $8. We also found a place where a lot of the fabrics were $6 too, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
So been finding good sale fabric. So we're gonna go in. We've got masks on. See you guys later.
Let's make sure this is it.
Hi guys, Helios turned out to be pretty interesting, and they had, Helios means sun, and they had a lot of sun decorations in the place. Was really pretty. And now we are at Franz, which is one of my favorite new up-and-coming fabric companies. They are all female-owned fabric shop, and so I wanted to make sure that I stopped on this trip to visit Franz. So this is their front. It's kind of like in a warehouse area, and we're not going to record inside, but I just wanted to let you know we're here.
We have the quilter here along with, who are you?
Teaquilts.
Oh, we are in Cedar Rapids, to inspire, to see, let us inspire you. Now, just a little tidbit here, I have learned through our Queen of Scraps. If you go to a quilt shop and they have a really nice sign out front, it's supposed to be a really good quilt shop. So we're going to find out. Thank you.
I already know the answer. It's a Bernina shop. So I'll tell you when we come out. Also, I want to talk about Franz. Franz wasn't a storefront, moved into a warehouse area. It was very hot in there. They did not have AC, but fabrics are still great. I still supported female fabric manufacturers. So I just wanted to throw that in because I was too hot to talk to you all after I came out. So talk to you later. Hi guys, this is T. We're inside of the Bernina shop here, and I just wanted to show you all this view of these quilts that they have hanging. I have absolutely no idea how these quilt tops got on this wall, but it is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. This is a beautiful facility. Just beautiful. Fabric all over here. I'm not even going to show you all of this because I shouldn't be doing this, but you know, this place is just gorgeous. I will see you all later.
Birthday to us. Happy birthday, dear us. Happy birthday to us. Woo!
Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my channel with your other quilting friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye, Teaquilters. Stay blessed.